this package from Shopee from China. I actually bought several items as well. Sayang kasi yung free shipping. So here I bought black ukulele string for the hand drill. This is the chalk for the hand drill. I'm gonna use this for my crafts, the clay crafts. Ano ba buksan ito? Oy. Ay, mamaya na. The engraver. I actually had one like this before but I lost it. And then the grinder set. Grinding pins. I bought this so I can use it on my crafts as well. Oops, there. Okay. Sanding tools or grinding tools. I need this. And now the moment of truth. Drum roll. I hope I won't get disappointed. This is the mahogany one. Unlike the last one is basswood. This is the mahogany one with rosewood fretboard. Tada! Nice! Oh, it has a paint. It has a paint. Bakit yung isa wala niyan? Glue? Seriously? Clear glue? Huh? May kasama siyang clear glue. As if it will stick to it. Oh, nice. It's not pure rosewood. Ah, hindi. Rosewood siya. Yung middle niya. Pero meron siyang parang out sa bridge saddle.
I mean,
ivory?
Oo, ivory. Is this ivory? Yeah. It's nice, ah.
at the hook.
Okay, this is the fretboard. Where's the bridge? Hala! Ayun. Irit, kinuha mo. So here, let's see if it's complete. So this is the body and the neck and the head. May 90 pa talaga. Here, 20 degrees. It has the pegs are here. What is this for? Why does it have a hole?
May patingin ako ng ano?
Nice, huh?
Yung body. Yung body.
Ba't may pako naman dun?
Ganun po.
Ang sagwa, hindi. Matatakpan naman siya actually ng ano. Let's see first. Matatakpan, okay. Matatakpan naman siya ng fretboard actually. May pako.
Hindi yung ano body.
Okay. The string.
Yung pareho ng loob na wala ito.
Oo nga no. So hindi siya flat. Ba't yung kay blue flat?
Kay Bix din ganun.
Okay. So, these are the pegs for here and here. Okay. So this, the tuning pegs. We have the tuning pegs. Let's see if it's complete. I asked the seller to double check it because the last package kulang ng isang screw. So, yung lock sa tuning pegs. Ay, galing nga, Daddy. De Roscas to. Yung lock ng tuning peg. It actually has, it's like a screw. what do you call it? May rosca siya, see? So you don't just put it on top. You actually have to screw it on. So there, the saddle, the nut, the bridge. Okay. Ay, bakit ang ikli ng kapos yung bridge? And then these are also for the tuning pegs, I guess, because it's 4 pieces. Washer. And finally, at least okay siya. The cover for the bridge, it fits this time. See, it fits. Because the last time it doesn't fit.
And what's this?
The hole is too big, and then the cover is this small. Actually, it only has 4 screws because the tuning peg only has 1 hole, unlike the other ukuleles that have 2. So you should actually have like 8 screws. Okay, so this is the screws for the bridge. Okay, go like that. Okay, and so sira siya sa ilalim. It's okay. So this is rosewood. This is also rosewood. Ang gaspang na dito. Actually, this has a rough spot. So we need to sand it. See, if you can see, it has like teeth there. Okay, so ito lang yung negative niya, negative feedback. The fretboard doesn't fit perfectly dun sa neck niya. As in, ayan, sobrang laki ng gap sa gilid. If you can see. Dapat kasi yung fretboard, the fretboard should be the same size as the neck, right? Tingnan mo, ipapantay ko siya dito sa side na to. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yung gap. I think this is about 4 millimeters yung gap niya. Nakaganyan na yung fretboard. So if i-move ko pa dito yung fretboard, kasi you have to make space for the nut. For example, if you put the nut here, pati yung nut, babe, kailangan talaga, ang laki nung hahabulin. See? The gap is about 5 millimeters. This is my son's concert. Same size actually, Dad. Same size siya ng fretboard. Yung neck talaga yung neck talaga yung makapal.
Malapad yung neck.
Malapad talaga yung neck. Pero yung fretboard naman, tama naman. So talagang maghahabol talaga ako dito sa kahoy. We can do this! Ang weird lang, no? Meron pa siyang may ivory siya sa side. Parang weird ding na. Parang pangit. Yan na, okay lang. Okay lang siya, kakaiba. Yun lang actually negative feedback ko sa kanya. Ang laki ng habulin sa side. Unlike yung sa sister ko kay Blue, as in, na siya sakto, as in, meron man akong hinabol, sobrang konting, very, very minimal. Almost wala. Sa pag-smoothen na lang nung sides yung ginawa ko, pero ito talagang hahabol tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Ayan.